hope it's visible, guys. अरे दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir. That's visible.
Yes, sir.
This is for thermodynamics. Last time we have seen for which subject? Food technology, right?
Yes, sir.
So this data is from 2014 to 2023, but our team is making it from 2009 to 2023. Okay. So total 15 years of data will be there with you guys. And now what we are planning, we are making a PPT of everything. Okay. So in that, each year's analysis will be giving up. Okay. Like that PPT will be shared with you. Now also you can take screenshot of one by one if you are taking, although this video will be available on YouTube to track everything. Okay. So let's talk about overall analysis, what was done. So you can see 68.5% of the questions or marks is carried from the basic of thermodynamics. So now coming to the point, what are the basic of thermodynamics questions? Okay, chapters. So you can see the basics of thermodynamics include basics of thermo, that is the properties like temperature wale questions and similar to that. Then second law, heat transfer, open system is steady flow energy equations, unsteady flow energy equation, entropy, availability, and reversibility, thermodynamic relation. First law and psychrometry should be coming in the applied thermo. So there is a data irregularity there. That is not a problem because the psychrometry is there in applied, not in the basic. Okay. So these 7 chapters comes under basics. Okay. So those 7 chapters carry 68.5, nearly 70%. Like let's say nearly 2/3 of the paper is covered in this. Not nearly, more than 2/3 of the paper is covered for the basic only, and remaining 1/3 is coming under applied. Is that clear, guys?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah. Next, coming to the point, like you can see around 80% of the paper is coming from the 84% of the paper is coming from the easy to medium zone. Only 16.4% is the tough zone. Okay. So we can see thermodynamics is more towards moderate zone compared to that of a hard zone or easy zone. So it is always a moderate paper. Okay. So you need more and more practice for that. Okay. All clear?
Yes, sir.
And we can see that 50% of the paper is 50-50, almost 50 is divided between NAT and MCQ. Only slight part, like say 3 to 4 questions higher in MCQ than NAT, but mostly the paper is 50-50 divided. Like out of 22, 11 or 10 questions are in MCQ, and 11 or 12 questions will be there in the NAT. Okay, all clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, top 5 topics of the thermodynamics for the basic thermodynamics. Okay. So the basics of thermo carries 48 marks, the highest in the entire that. That's coming to the 44 marks by second law. Then heat and work energy transfer. Then open system analysis. Then thermodynamic analysis. अब बहुत से लोगों को एंट्रोपी देवी परेशान करती है. Like everyone, most of the people get suffered from entropy. I think Dheeraj, तुम्हें भी starting में problem हुई होगी, right?
Yes, sir.
So now see the problem. See the fact here. The top 5 topics में entropy है ही नहीं. Is it there, guys? No, na?
No, sir.
So don't worry about the entropy availability. We will do, but top 5 topics are this. In this case, maximum of the marks. Okay, this top 5 paper, top 5 chapters. Okay, clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, applied में तो 4 ही topic है, and applied will be easy, very easy when you cover pure substance. If you know the pure substance, 65% of the applied is done and dusted. Okay, so that is the thing. Like, and now let's see like basics of thermodynamics के अंदर कैसे questions आते हैं. So let's say most of the basics of thermodynamics question comes in the medium zone, but you can see the easy number of questions. 16 question of 1 mark questions are of the easy range. Okay, so highest marks in the basic of thermodynamics is of easy domain. Let's see, and let's select this particular topic on. So we can see like 100% of the question in the basic came from this only. Applied से एक भी आपका नहीं आया, मतलब होगा ही नहीं. But you can see hard है ही नहीं. Almost 90% of the question is coming from the easy and medium zone only. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go to the easy zone. Okay, which topics serves with the maximum? So basics of thermodynamics serves with 72% of the basic easy question. Applied में इतना होता है, ठीक है. Now coming to the hard. Okay. See, बहुत कम है chances के आपका basics में hard आएगा. 69%. Applied is always easier. Okay, 70%, nearly 70% is of easy to medium in applied. Okay, then let's come to the applied thermodynamics. So you can see hard है ही नहीं. Mostly is easy to medium. So entire thermodynamics is of easy to medium zone only. Now let's see the last year paper only when these guys gave the paper. Suraj and Dhinaj, you just confirm me it's correct or not. You can say that around 60% of the paper was from basics and 40% from applied.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
And nearly 90% of the paper was easy to medium, moderate, not tough, but it was lengthy.
Lengthy बस था ज़्यादा.
Correct?
हम्म.
And you can see applied में 40% था, लेकिन उसमें power cycle ज़्यादा आई थी. Power cycle and pure substance. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And relations अच्छे question आए थे. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So entire paper was just this domain. Okay, so you can see the top 5 topics here also, which are varying. Thermodynamic relations आपका easy है, tough है. You can see here easy and medium, not a single question tough game. Okay, let's see इसी demographics के अंदर हम लोग hard भी डाल देते हैं. Hard question कहाँ से आया? We can see it came from power cycle and psychrometry. Not a single question of hard came from basic of thermodynamics. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Dheeraj,
Yes, sir.
is it beneficial? अगर ये उस टाइम होता तो इफेक्ट करता, right?
Yes, sir.
So guys, this will be with you, and further we should thank Suraj and Mayank for giving me the data. Okay, and they helped me in this. So credit goes to this guys, and this was the one. So you can take screenshot anything if you want, and let's see now 2016's paper, that is ISC Bangalore's paper. Okay, 2016 they made the paper, and let's come there, and you can see now 68.2% is from basic, 31.8% is from the applied. Now you can see यहाँ पर hard का percentage बढ़ जा रहा है, right? अरे हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
So hard to medium paper will be there, but ISC Bangalore will challenge you on the basics. Okay. Again यहाँ पर देख सकते हो entropy वापस आ रहा है top 5. Okay, so they will play with you in the most of the second law and first law के अंदर खेला जाएगा. बाकी applied में question कम होंगे, mostly they will deal you in the basics only. So try to prepare your basics, although you can't make applied, pure substance कर लेना, but basics करके ही जाना है आपको अच्छे से. pure substance psychrometry करोगे तो और अच्छा रहेगा. power cycle नहीं हो रही ठीक है, but pure substance हो गया ना, power cycle भी हो जाएगी. It's all about practice only. ठीक है? अरे all good?
Yes, sir.
चलिए, then everything is fine. अभी ये और डेटाबेस में बढ़ेगा, उसके बाद we will deploy it to everyone. Okay, ठीक है? Anything, anyone? Hello?
Sir, एक doubt है sir.
Go ahead.
सर जैसे पावर साइकिल है तो वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कैसे मतलब पढ़ेगी.
ठीक है, power cycles का तो
I'll tell.
Dheeraj, can you start with the applied only?
Yes, sir. Why not?
Because basics का बहुत कम चीज यूज होगा उसमें, basic equation ही यूज हो रही है, right? So start with pure substance only, and then let you cover entire applied only for them. Start with applied
Yes,
for them.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
But some basic concepts should be clear before
हाँ,
we have
basics
started.
तो इनके cover भी होंगे, और also one more thing like basics तो they what are the basic concepts they will be declaring के enthalpy equation क्या होता है, ये क्या
Means
होता है.
that's why I was asking.
Yeah. So
इसलिए
just
तो
you can take in first class only what are the things required you for in the applied.
yes, sir.
Second class you start with applied then. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Dheeraj, you should take care of it entire. Now it's entire thermo is on your head. And if you need assistance, like if you need help, you can take help from Mayank also, Himashi is also there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All good?
Yes, sir.
Others, Prachi,
Yes, sir.
resolved your query, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's all. PK, you can stop recording. And guys, for your benefits, this is the thing.